If you've ever felt like your body is stuck in survival mode or like you're doing everything right but still feel off, this video is for you. Trauma, whether it's a single event or prolonged stress, doesn't just live in our memories. It rewires the body and the mind. Trauma reshapes the brain, increasing activity in the amygdala, the brain's region governing fear. It decreases the volume of the hippocampus, the brain's region for memory, and dulls the prefrontal cortex, the brain's region responsible for reasoning. Trauma disrupts your hormones and nervous system, especially the HPA axis. In other words, how the hypothalamus, pituitary, and adrenal glands work together by regulating cortisol. Trauma harms your gut microbiome, which creates a ripple effect on digestion, immunity, and mood. This is why you might feel wired but tired and have unexplained digestive issues, mood swings, inflammation, or chronic fatigue. It's not your fault. It's your body still trying to protect you. But the good news is, with the right support, it can begin to trust again, starting with critical nutrients. Let's explore that next in part 2. Let's look at nutrients that help restore safety and resilience in the body, starting with brain and mood nutrients. Omega-3s found in wild salmon, flax, walnuts reduce brain inflammation and support emotional regulation. Magnesium found in leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate calm the nervous system and ease tension. B vitamins, especially B6, B12, and folate, are abundant in chickpeas, eggs, and leafy greens, which can help build neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Zinc, high in beef, pumpkin seeds, lentils, is an essential mineral for stress recovery and gut lining repair. Gut repair nutrients like prebiotics high in onions, leeks, apples, oats, nourish your gut flora. Fermented foods such as sauerkraut, miso, kefir repopulate beneficial bacteria in your gut. Bone broth and cabbage are rich in L-glutamine, which helps heal the gut lining damaged by cortisol and stress. What and how we eat matters. Next in part 3.